Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, we got another review for you guys. It's the Supreme Padlock. Okay, let's go. Okay. As you can see, this is the Supreme Padlock made by the streetwear brand Supreme. They thought it'd be a good idea for them to make a padlock so you can lock away all your HYPEBEAST belongings. And as you can see, this is how the padlock looks like. It is very nice. It's like a skeleton lock. As you can see, let me hold it up to the camera so you can see it. There we go. Very nice lock. As you can see, it's a skeleton design, so you can see everything that is inside, how the lock works. It comes with a nice case. You got the Supreme branding here, and this is how a lock works. So when you pick a lock, you can see how to do it. It comes with a two keys. We'll get these out. As you can see, here are the keys with the nice Supreme writing. Don't know if you can see this one. And now let's get the lock out and see it. So this is the key. There we go. So the key comes with this BOGO sign. I don't know if it's working. There we are. It's a nice key, and here is the lock. As you can see, here's the mechanism, the springs, how it works, and it is a nice clear see-through lock. Here is the back. Yeah, so this lock is very nice, so you can lock away all your HYPEBEAST stuff that you might have in a suitcase, or you can take this to traveling and lock away your sandals when you go to pray in the mosque. So yeah, all the good stuff you can do with this one. I'm going to open it and show you how it looks like. So you want to put the keys here and just open up. Boom, here we are. So did you see this? Can you see that? So you see when the key goes in, I will show you again. So you see it. Can you see how the lock works? Bing, and then bosh. And that's how a lock works. You can see it in a see-through. There we are. So that was the Supreme Skeleton See-Through Padlock by Supreme. Very nice. Comes with a carry case. I will do some more reviews of some more Supreme accessories. If you like what you see, then please subscribe, and as always, Bali da.